The Crux35 is the best sub 250 bind and fly on the market with the worst frame. Today we're going to solve that problem by transferring its electronics over to the Great Discus.
Lipo juiced up, let's unlock the spot. Seeing tower in my sights, throttle let it pop. Full send, no pretend, diving straight from the top. Dropping from the heavens, yeah we surfing the sky. We ain't here to play, we ain't here to stop. Drifting through the towers like a phantom in the fog. Wind howling loud, but my signals stay locked. Toronto FPV, man we kings of the spot. Whip it, flip it, skyscrapers we hit it. Making art in the sky, FPV, how we live it.
Hey, what's going on? It's Chaser FPV, and today we have the Crux35. We're going to transfer it over to the Great Discus. I'm going to speed up this process.
City lights blink, drones slicing the air. Wings cut through clouds, ain't nobody compare. Propeller spin, whisper, secrets they share. The chase ain't a race, it's a dance, no despair. Neon horizon, circuits in my veins. Controller in hand, no room for mundane. Zigzag through buildings, adrenaline rain.
As you can see, I had to Dremel a little flathead. I was able to get this motor out, which I'm very happy about. We have the Great Discus from Toronto FPV. I just want to get one thing straight. Toronto FPV is not my friend.
I don't have friends.
It's all about the family.
I got family.
He's family. It's all about the family. We're switching the Crux35 over. Now, the only difference with this is you're going to need a little bit longer motor screws. Depending on your standoff size, for instance, like this is, a short standoff size compared to the Crux35, you're going to need to have different size. I would suggest picking up a M2 pack like this. You got washers, your nuts, and your screws there, so definitely a good thing to have. The other difference is when you transfer this over the board. So with the Crux35, the board would sit right like that. So that's front. So in order to tell the front on the discus, the wider screws are up front there. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to quarter turn this like this and mount this. So we're gonna have 3 longer screws back here and a shorter screw here. Our VTX is gonna mount right on top, just like so. And we'll be able to plug everything in, get it going. So first thing to do is, put the standoffs on, get that all hooked up. Just have to work with it. It's just all plug and play, really.
Every flip a story, every roll sustains. FPV chases the sky.
Make sure you put the battery strap on first.
Dreamer, speed so sharp, I'm a light beam schemer. FPV chase the rhythm in my flight. Cut through the dark, painting the night. Barrel rolls mimic my spiraling thoughts. Every dive's a...
Alright, we got the one motor on, we got the camera on, we have the antennas on. One thing about this, there's several different patterns in here. This is only going to use 3 screws, but it has mounting holes for several different options, which is great. I just wanted to say that. Alright, let's get this rest of the build on.
Gamble every loose supply. Gravity calls, but I answer with knots. Diving through air, all the rules forgot. Eyes on the goggles, the world feels surreal. Pixels and pride, watch this freedom's my seal. Life on the edge, every turn I reveal. A rebel with wings on a 4-rotor wheel. Camera see what my heart wanna show. Hop above earth where the cold winds blow. Chasing the stars while the ground moves slow. FPV forever where the wild ones go.
Alright, we're here in Betaflight and we're going to change this configuration of the flight controller. So we're going to open this up, connect it. We're in the setup tab right now. If you moved it, you would see that it's not orientated. So I've already done mine. So we're going to go to the configuration tab here and we're going to go all the way over to the right where it says yaw degrees, because we only moved it yaw. We didn't do any pitch or anything like that. We moved it to the right, so we need to put 45 degrees. We moved it 45 degrees to the right. We didn't move it to the left, so don't put negative 45. We need to put it 45. And that should be okay. And you can verify this. Go back to the setup tab. You could pick it up to see if it's doing what you want it to do. All right, that is it to set that up. I just want to say a big thanks to everyone who's watched this, and thank you to Toronto FPV for sending me over the Great Discus. I appreciate it. The next video will be...
If fish can live underwater, then so can I.
So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that like button for more. Thank you very much.
And we just got bigger.
Look at our family now.